Alright guys, so the big question you have is, can I use aftermarket ink cartridges with my Brother MFC multifunction printer? And here's a slightly older model. I've had this one for at least 5 years. I have been using the aftermarket cartridges for at least 5 years, and I've printed hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of color sheets out of this printer, and it's never let me down. I know I'm just some random dude on the internet, but you can see I've got 2 printers here. I've done quite a bit of printing in the past, so I can vouch for these cartridges for what it's worth. I'll just show you what I'm using here. It is unbranded. You can get quite a bit for a good deal. So here's a list of all of the models that this should work for. You get so much ink in here that I got this box, I think a couple years ago, and I'm still using it. So maybe they have added more models to this. I'm not sure. I'll link this down below. It's good stuff. Everything comes sealed. Here's a black. Everything comes sealed. It's got the chip on it. Has a pull tab, you know, after you take it out of the vacuum seal. It's all vacuum sealed. It's good stuff. So if you have any doubts, you can always buy the Brother Genuine ink, and I will link that down below too. I just changed the black. Watch, I'll pull it out. Right, and it knows that I've pulled one out. So there it is, right? Here's the chip on top. And I will push it in. It will tell me to close it. It'll say, did you change the black? And I will say no. So I'll press 2. And it's back. It's good to go. It's got the full, reading on it. And it's ready to go. It doesn't have an X, a red X. I think I had one cartridge that sort of, it prematurely, stopped agreeing with, and I had to change it. I think it was like one out of all of the ones I've had that, it didn't like. So expect I don't know, 2% error. That's just the name of the game with this. But I haven't had any real issues with these ever. That's just my 2 cents. Now, of course, this is a printer coming from a company that wants to make money, so they will have you prematurely change the cartridge. And that's just because of the printer. It'll say, magenta is low, change magenta, and you'll pull out the magenta. You can tip it over and you'll still see that it has plenty of magenta ink in it, but there's nothing you can really do to override that on the printer, because that's the printer saying better safe than sorry. It's a little low and we want you to buy more ink, so change it. So that's also just the name of the game, but there's plenty of time before that happens. Trust me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link this down below. I'm going to link the Genuine Brother ink down below, and I'm going to link, if I find any cleaning kits or cleaning solution stuff, tools for this printer, I'll link that below. And I will also link a micro B to USB-C adapter that will allow you to adapt from the micro B, which is under the scanner top, to a USB-C cable, so you can ditch the old micro B cable if you want. And I have 2 of those, and I've tested those out, and those work perfectly. I use one for the Epson and one for the Brother. I hope that helps, and if you feel like it, subscribe to the channel or leave a comment. It would mean a lot to me, and I'll try to get back to you. All right, thanks. See ya.